Hey guys, it's Josh again. So I'm gonna show you all a little trick today that I learned, removing old posts. Now obviously with a tractor or front end loader, something like that, it'd be really easy to move posts, but it's not always like that. Me and my neighbors all had to move our mailboxes forward. Mine came out of the ground easy. My neighbor hasn't done his yet. I'm going to show you how I go about removing posts that are in the ground. This can work with concreted in and non-concreted in. It's very simple. All you're going to need is all I'm going to use. I'm going to use, this is a 3-ton jack. You can probably get away with a little bit smaller. Some longer screws, probably about 2.5, 3 inches. And some old wood you got laying around. So we're about to take you over there and show you how we're going to do it. Let's go! This is the mailbox post that he couldn't get on the ground. As you can see, it's pretty solid in there right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the jack, put the jack down here, right at the base. Get as close as I can to it. Okay? Close as I get to it. I'm going to take some of these screws and some of these boards, and I'm going to screw it in right above where you're going to jack up. So pretty much like right there will be fine. Now again, when you have concrete in the ground, you're gonna want to put enough screws to be able to pick up on it. Alright, now that we got our boards on there, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start trying to pick up on it and see if it's going to relieve some pressure on it, and then we can eventually start digging it out. Alright, we're going to just give it a little wiggle here, see if we can just pull the post up, leave the concrete down there. It'd be way easier to deal with than 80 pounds of concrete on the back of this, so let's see what we got. Let's see if we can get it to come out now. Never sees the rain, baby. That is how you remove a mailbox post or an old fence post with a jack and some extra wood laying around your house. Y'all have a good one.